Hey, this is the DIY Magician with another grab bag special. We go to thrift stores and we find the grab bags, we bring them back here, we open them up, and we have fun in the process. So hang on, we'll be right back. In addition to the Gingy Bros, we have a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles on the half shell. That's right. And it looks like this is the other sword there. I think I'm missing a sword. But he has a scabbard you can put the sword in. In fact, let's scabbard that sword. It goes right in like that. Okay. So now he's a non-violent Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. We have a little tiny Aquaman. We have a little tiny, looks like Batman in a big massive suit. And then we have Disney's Hunchback of Notre Dame. Just like that in a $2 bag. You ready? We're going to go for the Gingies again. Here we go. Bye-bye. Hey, thanks for coming along. This has been a fun grab bag special. For those of you who have been here before, please come back, and thank you for coming. For those of you who are new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe, and we'll get you set up with some updates there. This is the DIY Magician with the Gingy Bros. Saying goodbye. We'll see you next time. Thanks again. Bye-bye.